How do we understand the mud language? Mabuk saya mata ni. How are you? How are you? Macam ah. What seems to be the problem here? Tak ada asal Apa aku macam kuda kepang saya? That is inappropriate. Meripik apa? I'm confident I will do a great job. Lu tahu apa gua macam mana? Do we know each other? Tak ada. Kenal apa? Nak kenal? Mari sangat. Tak ada ke? Kenal? Tak ada kenal apa? Sorry bang Kenal apa? Nak kenal?